Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. We're continuing the news. Gio?
Thanks so much, Janella. In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a creative who will stop at nothing until he transforms his dream into a reality. With that, here's Ken Morgan.
In the deep, cool hills of Whitford St. Andrew lives a man with a creative mind and crafted hands. He's a 34-year-old Davina Robinson, a mason by profession and a miniature model car maker by passion. It's a skill he has been honing since he was 14 years old.
A toy car made in China. There was a little pickup van, and one day it get mashed up, so I tried to fix it back, and I started thinking hard on how to fix it and what material I could use. So I come up with the most unusual material that most people classify as garbage.
And not only can his toys move.
Most of them, like the X7, the Lamborghini, the Honda like automatic, the BMW play Bluetooth music, the Mitsubishi, it is remote controlled and radio and Bluetooth.
Davina says all miniature models, like his dream house and this automatic pickup van, were all created from ice cream cone boxes and other recycled materials.
The Nestum baby feeding cans, like to make the car rims and so forth. The bicycle tubing is to make the car tires, and the ice cream cone box like to make the body of the cars.
Davina says in the initial stages, modeling a vehicle would take up to a year, but now he's finished in 5 days.
As it become a part of me now, so I know exactly what I'm doing, so it become very easy.
His dream is to one day work in the automotive industry.
Own a company, building real cars, in Jamaica. And even for the wider car company to see and know that I'm here, I'm willing to work with them as well, even on the production line, get cars together.
Davina says while he sometimes feels dispirited, he'll never give up until his aspiration is realized. He's encouraging others to follow suit.
Whatsoever your mind can conceive, you can surely achieve. You don't limit yourself on what you can do. And I want to encourage all the young men, no matter how hard it may seem, there is a dream inside of you, just go at it, don't give up.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan.